Hello, little friends. Today, we're going to draw a cute little cat, Hello Kitty. Let's start step by step. First, draw a big round shape for the face. This will be Kitty's head. Now, draw 2 ears, one on the left and one on the right. Next, let's draw 2 small round eyes and a tiny oval nose in the middle. Add 3 straight lines on each cheek. These are her whiskers. Now draw a cute bow on her left ear. That's what makes her extra adorable. Let's draw a little dress, along with her tiny arms and legs. Bow pink. Dress sky blue. Face and body white or light cream. Nose yellow. Feet purple. Now it's coloring time. Let's make Hello Kitty beautiful with our favorite colors.
Hello Kitty is sweet and bright. 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 With her bow, she's a lovely sight. With her bow, she's a lovely sight. Smiling always, full of cheer. Smiling always, full of cheer. Spreading joy to all who are near. 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 Let's all draw her with delight. 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 And color our world with magic light. 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 If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again with another fun drawing. Bye bye.